You see, a cattle is something that is very important in this community because each and every life that we are living depends on the cattle.
Our cattle were not managed, so they were roaming alone and anything could happen to them. There was a big problem of predation by lions on livestock and retaliatory killings by the farmers. Close to 50% of the population within this area was wiped out.
So when Close came on board, they saw the idea that we are going to group your cattle together.
And then this livestock can be herded, and then they crawl them at night in mobile predator-proof bomas. The company Close has introduced a system whereby when lions are close to us, we get alerts on our phones. Even though we look at them as dangerous, at least our livestock are protected, so we still live with them. At the moment, we estimate around 50 lions from what we've collared in the movements, which is kind of like the stable population within this area.